Hello, my name is Thanjay, or you can call me Jessie. I'm an event planner. My page is Memorata Events and Picnic. I will show you how to make this piece of decor today in a very simple way. Thank you. Stay tuned. Let's go. This is going to be quite simple. Just a pair of golden ribbon, a bottle, scissors, flowers, and glue stick. You're going to cut the ribbon into size, apply the glue, and then stick it on the bottom, depending on the shape you want to achieve, just as you see me doing in the video. It's quite simple. The glue gun dries quite quickly. You're just going to wait for it to This is the final look, and here are some of the events that I've done using this as a centerpiece. Beautiful, right? This was my first event using that.